বেশি ছোট করো না, দেখতে যাতে ভালো লাগে।
ওকে, দেখা যাক ওনার আঁকাটা টেস্ট করা যায় কিনা। বাবা আমার থেকে তাকা, বাবা ভেরি নাইস লাগছে, বাবা বাবা টাকা, ভেরি গুড। গরম হবে, এই গরম হবে গো, এই বলতে হবে এত অবধি হবে। বাবা এবার এই পাশে টাকা বাবি, লেগটা ঠিক আছে, তার লেগের পেছনে একটা অন্য কথা বলছে। আরে চেষ্টা করো, খুব সোজা খুব সোজা। অ্যান্সারটা বলে দিলে আফসোস করবে, মনে হবে এই এত ইজি পারলাম না। এবার টাকা আমার দিকে।
Hello. So we just came back from India a few days ago, and then we had that fish market. And now we are here in Acropolis Mall, and we're at the Starbucks coffee, and I'm going to have a chocolate chip, and then we have water and another one. We got some.
Okay, so here's the Starbucks store. What did you do in Acropolis Mall? Did you do something?
Yes.
What did you do?
I rode in a car. It's not a real car. It's like a small car where one person can fit. It's the size of me. And then I sat in there and drove it.
Got it.
So we have got the food, this chocolate cake, maybe, and then
It's a mocha.
yeah, this mocha that my dad got, and then
Do you like this food? What is it called? Chocolate truffle? Okay. And this is a hot mocha. So let's start it. Follow. কথা বলো, কথা বলো। হ্যাঁ, দিদুনকে কথা বলতে হয়। তুমি কথা বলো তাহলে, তুমি কথা বলো।
we just started the video. Let's start again.
Ready.
So here's eating the omelet.
And what else?
And
Are you liking it?
I took off my shoes.
Huh?
I took off my shoes.
You took off your shoes, okay. তোমার কেমন লাগছে? বাবাকে নিয়ে আসতে পারতে। What do you want to do? You take the upstairs?
Yes,
That's the game to find it on last evening, last night. So
Let's go. Go. where should we go?
Let's go to the house.
Hey, don't get lost. Stay with me. Which store you want to go?
The highest.
Highest store? You want to go into Bata and check out some shoes? Come, let's check out some shoes. Okay.
So we're at the food shop. I'm not gonna read this, I guess, it's Bata.
Okay.
So
It's called Bata in Bengali, but whatever. Okay.
I think it's
Watch. Now come. Want to go upstairs?
yeah.